Obey my commands and protect yourself at all times. Touch gloves. Good luck. Ready, guys? Okay.
Good work, Andrew. Good work. You can see him trying to set it up. Keep turning it. Pick your eye, pick your line. Get nice and low. Get nice and low. Turn off the angle. Turn the angle.
Get your hands free. Get your hands free, guys.
He's holding.
Break.
Good work, Andrew. Stay tight with the right hand. On the angle. Go round. Don't come in on that angle. Left or right. Go again.
Stop. Don't punch. Be careful. Break.
Punching inside in, nice more. Jab more. Jab, slap his head.
Get your hands free. Break. Don't punch.
Turn the angle. Don't rush. Get inside now, work.
Box out of there. Box out, guys.
Stay there. Uppercut.
Stop.
Go in Andrew, work. There he goes. Work, Andrew. Go inside. Stay inside, work.
Get your hands free.
Good round,
Stop.
Andrew.
Be careful. Keep your head up.
Keep the shots going. Work, Andrew, work. Finish the round. Finish the round, Andy. It's your round. It's working. Good ball. Beautiful. Work. Hold him, Rick. That's it. Get low. Stay low. Get in closer. We've got to get in closer.
Break. Step back.
Don't rush, Andrew. Side to side. Side to side. Fight more. Fight more now. Side to side. Fight more. Side to side. Foot fight.
Come here. Give me your gloves.
two. Good, time.
Box out of there.
And punch.
Box out.
Turn
Right.
and punch.
Stay inside! Hold it! Walking back! Walking back, Andrew! Walking back!
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Stay low, Andrew! Stay low!
Get out of it. Get out of it.
Stay low! Stay low! Stay low! Don't rush! You don't need to force it! Don't wait there! They're too tight in! Stay low! Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! Work! Line up and work the hand! Work one hand in! Stay tight! Stay low! Stay low!
Break time.
Breathe deep
He's cut.
on his head. Breathe deep. We're rushing a little bit, okay? We've got a long time. We've got a long time, okay?
Stay calm, Andrew. Stay calm. You actually finished that round nice.
But Andy, I don't want you trying.
Okay? Yeah. Side to side. But have to move. Have to be moving.
A couple of rounds and I want you to work right on his chest. You're hesitating outside in his range. That's why he caught with the uppercut. You know?
Seconds out. Back up.
Move. Yes,
Stay there, work
Stop.
the hand! Stay strong! He'll fight, Andy. Stay strong! Side to side! Move the angle! Don't wait there! Move the angle, Andrew!
Answer. I know.
Go!
Time. Stay there.
Three!
Easy. Doctor. Accidental headbutt. Accidental headbutt. Both of them, actually. Okay, ready to go? Over here. Stay there. Accidental butt. Time in.
That's it! Turn it! Just keep turning him!
I have a. So make sure you have a. That's what we call it. But I need
Coming all round, don't sit there! Don't sit there! Jab over his shoulder!
Step away. Stay at distance.
Box out of there. Box out. Get your hands free.
Hit the body, Andy!
Keep trying.
Wait. No. careful.
Get inside, Andrew! Get inside! Andrew, get inside! He's getting tired, Andy! Get inside! Get on his chest, Andrew!
Straight. And move, and straight. Yep, and straight, and move.
Time.
Turn him and get inside!
And move, good. Only distance, only need distance. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Right in, Andrew!
Side. Good.
Stay there!
Stop! No, punch. Come on. Go on, Graham.
On the side! Keep the angle up!
Yeah.
Go through, Andrew, low! Good shot, Andrew! Go through! Go through, Andrew!
1, 2, 1, 2.
Box out.
Work, Andrew! Tommy! Knock him off, Andrew! Andrew, get your butt going inside! Move around! You're fighting, go inside!
Stop! No, be careful.
Bumping, Andrew!
Stop! No, don't punch. Keep your head up.
Work him, Andy! Work the chest! The chest!
Jab, and mouth. And hidari. Straight hidari. Straight.
Stop! Be careful. No.
Finish with the left. Every time you move underneath you. They only be any second.
Box out of there. Box.
Andrew Moloney! Beautiful round, Andrew!
Time.
To the right, you understand? You have to keep moving to the right and also throw punches. Now,
He's tiring and his power's going. Are you feeling that? He's getting slower. But you're waiting out long. And you're going inside and you're wrapping up, getting caught, wrapped up too easy. Get the forearm out, get the shoulder out. Start bumping him when you go in. Go in, throw your shots, bump him. Let's get him on the ropes where we can start to hurt him to the body. Okay, do you understand? Yeah. Don't wait outside. It's a 12-rounder, mate. You've got to keep pressuring him. We've got to slow him up more than we are. Don't wait outside, Andy. It's 50-50 out there.
fast jab, okay? If we get close, 4-5 punch. 4-5 punches. Very close, speed and power. 2 speed, 1 power.
Back up.
Fight the way in! Fight the way in!
Come on, box
turn.
He's folding Andrew. Fight, fight, fight. Bumpy back. Make it your fault. Use it, but go in the bumpy lead. Hit the body, hit the body.
And punch. You gotta turn and punch. And step.
Box out of there. Stop. Let go of that, Talia. Don't do that.
Go forward.
Be careful. Stop.
Get on his chest.
Stop. No, don't punch.
Bumpy, Manny. Bumpy. Go inside. Get low, Andrew. Get low.
And turn.
Box out of there. Punch out.
Turn again, punch. And punch.
Get on his chest, Manny. Get on his chest. Hit the body. Hit the body, Andy.
Take to the chest.
Step back.
Turn.
Break.
It's a good round, Andrew. Keep working the body. It's your round. Keep working.
Box out. Step back. Break. There's the bell. Back up.
Okay. I need more adrenaline.
Hurry, guys. Hurry, Manny. Get inside, Andy. Go inside, Andy. They're coming. Hit the body. Bumping off. Bumping off. Get inside, Andrew. Get inside.
Don't push. Punch.
Punch out. Box out.
Hooking, Andrew. Left hook. 45 hook.
No holding. Box.
Get inside, Andy. Get inside. Bumpy. Get inside.
Turn the body. Punch.
Tight guard, Andy. Tight guard. Look for the 45 on the rip. Go low. Duck low. Bend low.
You want to?
Get inside, Andrew.
Have to be a strong jab. No?
Get inside, Andrew.
Strong jab. Move. That is that. Only distance.
Holding. Let his arm go. There you go.
Control with the jab.
Bumpy, Andrew. Get inside. Come on the road. You're hurting.
Stop. I got it.
Clubbing. Get him on the right, Andrew. Bumpy to the road. Bumpy to the road.
Turn.
Jab. Jab hard. Jab, Andy. Hard jab. Stay low, Andrew. Jab hard.
Box out.
Down.
Break, don't punch.
Get to the money, Andrew! Get to the money! To the money!
Stop at the bell.
Come on, Andy! Come on! Come on, Ray! Get him hard! Get him hard, Ray!
Get him on the ropes. Tight guard. Tight guard.
Stay clean of box, Andy!
Tight. More distance, Andrew.
And everything!
Tight guard. Tight. Get inside. Come on, Andy. Tight guard.
Fucking hold it!
Time, over here. Cut the tape.
Come on, man!
Vinny, we're gonna cut the tape. Just cut it.
Breathe, Andy. You've got to get on the chest.
Just cut it. Can you cut it?
Now you go rub it around. You got it?
Get a scissor. We need a scissor. Snip it. Go. Time in. Here we go.
Ready with the tape.
Get his chest, Andrew. Get on his chest, Andy. Tight guard. You're working.
Power, Frank. Power. And move. Step aside.
Good body, Andrew.
Step aside.
Break. Don't hold. Step back. Punch out of there. Get your hands free. There you go. Stop. Okay. Sir, keep going. Box. Hands free, guys. Get off his neck, Andrew. Stop. Be careful.
You're doing great. You're just giving him a bit too much strong. Andy, you're winning the rounds. We're turning the fight. Sit down. Sit down. Andrew. Hey? Breathe, breathe. But Andrew, I want the Aussie rules, hip and shoulders. You're not giving me the bumps.
Yeah.
Give me decent bumps, right? And then club him when he's off balance. You understand?
Yeah.
We haven't done it enough yet. He's holding inside and he's getting you a bit tired like him. Now breathe deep. What we've got to do is stop letting him hold. Bump him like Aussie rules as much as you can get away with, and then club him off balance because you buckled his leg a couple of times. But we've got to be in tight. You're giving him, you're too far out. You want to dominate him, you've got to bump and punch at your range. And don't get...
Give me two. Adrenaline.
Tight, get lower, Andy, get low. Hip and shoulders, get low. Hip and shoulder, Andy, get low.
I need 2 Vaseline. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Take distance. Yes, yes. Oh, good. Again. Only 1, 2.
Get to your runs, Andrew! Get inside, Andy, to your runs!
Turn the punch.
Those hands, body, Andrew!
Strong jab,
Low, Andrew!
and now move again.
Shoulder, Andy! Hit the shoulder inside!
Stop. I got it. Ready? Turn.
Up, Andrew! Get inside, Andrew! Get inside and fight your fight!
4 straight punches. 4 straight punches. 4. Good. Answer. 4, 1, set. 1, set. Headbutt again.
Bumpy first!
And set.
Get off him, Andrew! Work! Bumpy, Andrew!
Step away and punch.
Bumpy off, Andy!
Go for
Go,
side to side.
he's tiring, go! You've got to go! Hit the body, get right in!
Keep the distance. Now step away, step to side. And move around, and move. 1, 2, and move. Move. Yes.
Andrew, you're doing nothing! Get in and hit the body!
1, 2, move. Now the other way.
Break. I got it.
Go on his chest, Andrew!
And turn.
Get on his chest, Jason! Andrew, get on his chest! Now work! Work! Rip the grip!
Vaseline, hurry up. Hands out. Give me a fucking towel.
You're doing your own thing. You're not fighting our fight. You stayed on his range and gave him that round fighting his fight. We don't have the rounds. We can't give him a round off like that. Now breathe deep. Mate, I've asked for hip and shoulders. I've asked you to go in. If you're going to box like that, you ain't going to win the fight. You have to stay tight and you have to get inside and let your punches go. He's tying you up inside and you're happy to do it. Andrew, I've asked you all fight to bump him inside, okay? Now what I need you to do is get it right in short. We've asked you to get in short so that you can rip the body like you did there and then get your hook going.
Now, when he gets real close, turn. Oh, turn the other way and turn. And remember, turn right hand. Okay? You can turn right hand.
We're good.
Do you have enough time? Do you have enough time? Ken, let me go. Good morning. You have done?
Hit the body in there, Andy! Start the body and come up! Beautiful boxes! Stay there! Stay there! Stay there!
Watch your heads, guys. Watch your
Stay
heads.
there! Let him fight! Rip and hook, Andy! Bump, Andrew! Bump and pump! Bump and pump! Beautiful! Bump and pump!
And punch again.
This is what I want, Andy! Get on your chest! Get on his chest! Get on his chest, Andrew!
4 punch on the legend. 4, please.
Stay on there!
4.
Stay there!
Faster.
2 to 3,
And step away. And you gotta step away.
Break.
Let him fight, Red! Back on the chest! Back on the chest, Andy!
And move.
Get on his chest, mate! Stay there! Stay there! Punch in the body! Both
Punch out.
Now move. Turn.
Break.
Out.
Come on, Andrew, let's go.
Get on his chest, Andrew. Shoulder punches, Andrew.
Break.
Shot punches. Go, Andrew. Shot. 2 or 3, Andrew. On his chest, Andrew. Let him go. Finish the round, Andrew.
Turn the punch.
Stop.
Go round, Andrew.
Just want you to check
That's
them
what
out.
we want.
That was great, Andrew, when you pushed him back like that. That was great. Andrew,
Sit down if you want.
those short punches are the ones that are going to knock him out, Andrew.
Andrew,
Don't wide.
you're throwing them from the middle range, right? We need you to get inside and bump and shorten it up where he can't punch. You're trading with him at the moment. Get in your range. Do you understand? Andy, we've got to win these rounds. We may even need to stop him. Okay? So you've got to get inside and you've got to throw 2 hands to the body. Andrew. But you've got to throw shots from your range, okay? Andrew, hit the body and come up with that left hook short. That's the one that'll catch him and the right one's catching him. But do it from your range. Now breathe deep. Andrew, don't try too hard. Andrew, don't try too hard. Do it with timing, okay? Timing.
Watch your heads.
I need another one. No.
Get in tight. Get inside. Shorter. Hey, yes. Get in shorter, Andrew. Get in shorter. Get inside, Andrew. Going low. Andrew, you've got to get on his chest.
Andrew, stop. Don't punch. Stop. Don't punch. Don't spear with your head. Keep your head up. Keep your head up.
Got to work it up, Andy. Get inside. Get inside, Andy.
Again. 1, 2, 1, 2. Give me 4 punches.
Andrew, get on his chest, mate.
Side to side.
Get in tight. Get in, hit the body, Andrew.
Hidari.
Stay low, Andrew. Get inside, Andrew.
Straight hidari.
Go again. Back him up,
Stop.
Andrew.
Don't punch. I got it.
Bump him off. Bump him off, easy. Bump him off, Andrew.
Break. Don't punch at all.
Back him up, Andrew. Back him up. Stay low.
Good.
Good hold, guys. Andrew, let him go. Get your hands free.
Work, Andrew, work. Short hook, Andrew. Short, left hook. Left hook.
No power, Zumba. No power.
Short hook.
No power. Speed and
Left hook.
power. Speed and power.
Get inside. Work your hook, Andy. That's the shot, Andy. Get in tight, though. Get inside, hook.
This is the punch. Now this is. Yeah. 1, 2. Come on. Attack. In and out. Forward.
Push him back.
And step out.
Stop. Don't punch.
Let me see that. 4 times. straight, everything straight.
Get your hands free. Box out of there. Punch out.
Short hook, Andy. Deliver, Andy.
Inspect. Get the loose tape, okay?
Breathe deep. Need you to breathe deep. Mate, there's parts in there that you're going to hurt. You're hurting him with the left hook.
Tape over here.
Andrew, but we need to bump. Now breathe for me, breathe. Just breathe and relax your body. Just relax. 2 rounds to go.
We have 2 rounds.
2 rounds to go.
You need to try and back him up.
Want to cut it? Just cut it off.
Not getting his punches off when you're back.
Breathe, just breathe. Andrew, Canelo style, tight hands. Bump him back and then work that short left hook, right hand. Right hand, left hook. Old school tough stuff. Andrew, 2 hands, not 1. Not just the left hook.
Yeah.
If you give me left hook, right hands, left hook, I reckon you can knock him. But it's got to be right on his chest. Breathe deep.
I was having enough. Bring enough. Turn, get out the road. Stay a distance. Distance, only distance.
Turn. Stop. I got him.
Keep the distance. Keep the power down.
Canelo, walking down. Right hand, left hook. Right hand, left hook. Right hand, left hook, Andrew.
Stop. Don't punch.
Both hands, Andrew. Both hands.
Protect yourself. No knockdown. Give me your gloves. Stop.
Stay inside.
1, 2, 1, 2.
30 seconds.
Break. Don't punch.
Andrew, you're sitting outside and you're getting hurt a bit, mate. I think we might have to stop it, mate, because you're not listening. You haven't been listening for a couple of rounds, Andy.
And final round.
Well, if you're okay, mate, you've got to stay on his chest, and you've got to throw your short hooks and short punches, short. The second you're waiting out long, we're stopping it.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Andy, you've got to throw left hooks and right hands from right inside, mate. We're going to give you a chance, but I'll tell you what, if you sit outside, just stop.
Yeah.
We'll stop it straight away.
Coach him up.
Get inside, closer, closer.
Stop. No, punch.
Two shots together on the chest. Inside, Andrew.
Stop.
Tight the feet. Tight guard. Get low, get low, get low. Canelo guard. Get inside. Get inside, Andy.
Break. Get off his neck, Andrew. Break. Don't punch. Don't punch.
Get inside. Right hand, Andy. Right hand, left hook, Andrew. Get inside. Andrew, get low. Get inside, Andrew.
Stop. Don't punch.